PUBG Mobile is back in India as Battlegrounds Mobile India. Okay, this is stale news. But if you want to play this game, you can go to the Google Play Store and pre-register yourself on the Battlegrounds Mobile India app. You guys probably know this as well. But I bet what you wouldn't know is one major difference between these two games, which are PUBG Mobile and its Indian version, Battlegrounds Mobile India. In fact, not just one. I will tell you 5 major differences between these two Battle Royale games. You're here and watching India Today Tech. I am Pavni Jain, and in this video, we will look at 5 major differences between PUBG Mobile and Battlegrounds Mobile India. So let's start playing. Let's get started. PUBG Mobile is available globally except China and India, whereas Battlegrounds Mobile India is available only in India. This we all know, which is why the first major difference comes from this very fact only, and that is, yes, matching players. When you play PUBG Mobile, you can match with global players, but when you will start playing Battlegrounds Mobile India, you will be able to match only with Indian players. Well, one good thing about this difference is that Battlegrounds Mobile India will host India-specific events and tournaments. Now, before I move to second difference, consider subscribing to India Today Tech YouTube channel and also hit the bell icon next to the subscribe button so that you do not miss out on videos like these. Now we can move on to next difference. The second difference comes in the data protection policy of the two games. There is no such policy available for PUBG Mobile, but when you play Battlegrounds Mobile India, there is a strict data protection policy available for the game. Now, what kind of policy I'm addressing here? You need to check that out in our next big difference. A lot of parents had concerns about PUBG Mobile, which is why Battlegrounds Mobile India is coming with a restricted policy for users below 18 years. Anyone under the age of 18 will be asked to provide the mobile phone number of their parent or guardian to confirm that they are legally eligible to play the game. Whereas there is no such thing, no restricted policy for 18 years of gamers when you play PUBG Mobile. Both the video games are developed by different companies. In fact, one of the reasons why PUBG Mobile was banned in India was because it was being published in India by a company called Tencent, which is a Chinese company. PUBG Corporation has since cut ties with the developer, and Battlegrounds Mobile India is developed by Krafton, which is a South Korean company. One more major difference between the two video games is in the file size. Earlier, when PUBG Mobile was available in India, the original file size of the game was somewhere around 1.6 GB, whereas you might be able to download Battlegrounds Mobile India for around 600 to 650 MB. So you will not need a separate light version of the game to play it, at least for now. So these are the top 5 differences between the two Battle Royale games that we know of. Of course, there will be more, but we will know about them once the game is officially launched. There is no official launch date yet from the company, but it is expected to arrive in the 3rd week of June, which is next month. So keep watching our channel till then for more updates. Thank you for watching this video. If you like it, then do not forget to give it a big fat thumbs up and share it with your friends. Comment, please do comment on the videos as well, and consider subscribing the bell icon which is next to the subscribe button so that you do not miss out on the content. Thank you. I'll see you in another one.